My name is Daniel Wright. At my heaviest, I weighed 467 pounds. I was obese my whole life. I was an overweight child. And then at the age of 19, I went on NBC's The Biggest Loser, season 7. I lost 142 pounds in that season. And then they actually invited me back for a second season on season 8, where I lost another 101 pounds. I lost a total of 253 pounds in 15 months, which is really fast. And obviously the skin does not necessarily bounce back after that kind of stretching. And certain people were saying things like maybe your skin will bounce back, maybe it won't because of my age. I mean, I'm still young, I'm 21 now. But it's to the point where the extra skin that hangs off of my stomach, the extra skin that hangs off of my arms is completely just getting in the way of my life. It doesn't let me show off the hard work I've put into with my arms, and my stomach gets in the way of everything from exercise to getting dressed in the morning. And it's one of those things that I'm really tired of, and I've maintained about 200 pounds of weight loss for a year and know that I'm never going to go back. And now I'm ready to kind of do away with what's old, and that's my extra skin, and continue forward with my life. I decided to choose Des Moines Plastic Surgery and Dr. Robbins to do my brachioplasty for my arms and the abdominoplasty for my stomach for several reasons. One being some close family friends of mine and Rebecca's had surgery with Dr. Robbins and had a great experience. They told us he was very honest, very comfortable, the staff was very knowledgeable and helpful, and they had an overall great experience. And when you're looking at getting elective plastic surgery, you want to make sure you're at a place where you're comfortable and you feel like who is doing your surgery knows what they're doing. So when selecting to get surgery done, I've had personal friends from the show who've lost hundreds of pounds who had their surgeries away from home. They either flew to California or they flew to some other location to have the surgery done. And the hardest thing was trying to recoup in a hospital and then dealing with traveling home and just not being in your home when you're trying to recoup from a tough surgery. And I think that what was important to myself was being near home when I had my surgery done, because it's not a very easy recovery process for the first 2 weeks, and I wouldn't want to be doing that in an unfamiliar environment. So to have somebody that's only 20-25 minutes away from my home, it's perfect. Also, when you're looking at surgeons, to know that Dr. Robbins is the only double board certified plastic surgeon in Iowa really sets my mind at ease, and I felt like that was right where we wanted to be. I could not be happier with results and the fact that I got my surgery done. Since having my surgery, I love tucking my shirts in. I don't have to hide my skin anymore or tuck my skin in. I can just pull my pants up and tuck my shirt in and put a belt on and feel extremely comfortable doing that. I love exercising now even more than I used to. My skin flap, my stomach doesn't flap around when I'm running, and it's much easier to actually ride a bike or even a recumbent bike at the gym. Just to mix my workouts up more because I can keep my knees in and my form is much better. I'm really excited. And one of the great things about Dr. Robbins and Des Moines Plastic Surgery is how comfortable it is to be here, not only in my pre-op stuff, but in your post-op and in your recovery. The nurses were great, as well as coming in for recovery and seeing Dr. Robbins check everything and make sure I was headed in the right direction made me feel a whole lot more comfortable. I would absolutely recommend Des Moines Plastic Surgery to anyone looking for any form of plastic surgery, and especially anyone who's looking for skin removal after excessive weight loss. It's an absolutely comfortable experience, and you not only learn a lot about what can be done, but also how it can be done in a healthy way to be safe and effective to finish off the journey that you've already been through. So I would 100% recommend Dr. Robbins and Des Moines Plastic Surgery to anybody.